90% of AI trading videos are trying to sell you something. A course, a signal group, a bot that prints money overnight, a subscription. Well, this isn't that type of video. I'm not selling you a system. I'm going to be testing one. And I'm going to be doing it in public. And I'm going to show you every result, even including the ones that fail. And I'm also going to try to show you how to do it. One really quick thing first. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video or this channel is financial advice. Everything you're going to see will most likely be paper trading with simulated money until some of our bots get graduated to real capital. At that point, it's still for educational or entertainment purposes only, and paper results never guarantee live results. Now that I got that out of the way, let's get into it. Alright, here's the honest truth about me. I've already said it. I'm not a professional trader. I don't have a finance background. I'm not a coder. I'm not trying to sell anything. I don't have a background in AI, really. I'm just like you. I'm working a 9 to 5, trying to make ends meet and pay the bills. But I did get curious. With all this AI hype, I was just wondering if it could make me money in the stock market. You know, the question really is, can AI actually trade? You know, without the hype video, can it test properly with real fees and real risk and with no cherry picking? So I decided to find out and do it all out in the open. This project is an experiment in doing algorithmic trading honestly. The goal is simple to say, but hard to do. Build a fleet of automated trading bots across crypto, forex, futures, and stocks, and document the entire journey on YouTube. The wins and especially the failures. And this is the part most channels skip. You'll only ever see the winning trades. You see the green, the highlight reel. You never see the graveyard of strategies that got tested and thrown out. On this channel, that graveyard's the whole point. If we're going to do this honestly, we're going to need some rules. And some rules that we can't argue our way out of. This project is going to live by 3. The first one is guilty until proven innocent. No strategy is trusted just because it looks great on the chart. Every single one gets backtested with real fees and real slippage. The actual cost you'd pay in the real world. Then it gets parameter swept and validated on data it's never seen before. So I know it isn't just memorizing the past. And only then does it get to paper trade against live markets. So we do all these things before it even gets to paper trade. It has to earn the trust. It doesn't get it for free. Rule 2, and this is the one that most people find surprising. Most strategies that we test will fail. And, you know, that's the system working, not the system breaking. A process that approves everything is a process that's going to lie to you. When most of the ideas get rejected, that's proof that the filter is working. The rejected strategies are just as important as the survivors because they're what stops me from putting real money behind a dream. And rule 3, risk first, always. Before I build a single strategy, I build a safety net around it. Or I could say, Claude Code built a safety around it. Position caps, so no single trade can blow things up. Daily loss limits, so a bad day just stays a bad day. And kill switches, so if something goes wrong, everything can stop. The guardrails came before the engine on purpose. So where are we at today? Right now, I have a fleet of over 100 bots running on a small cloud server. And they're paper trading against live markets in real prices, real conditions, simulated money at the moment. The bots are being tested in real time for weeks at a stretch. And here's what happens next. which is the part that I'm really actually excited about. Once the bot actually proves itself in paper trading, it gets promoted to live trading. It graduates, and you'll be able to see exactly which bots made the cut live on my website.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
That's the honest version of this whole thing. A bot doesn't get to touch real money on day one. It has to survive the gauntlet first. So what are you actually signing up for if you stick around? You'll get the whole journey. Which strategies survived and which ones died. Every day we're putting out news on the news feed. I do have some socials up, but trying to keep up with all that is difficult. So if you want to know what's going on, just visit the website. I'm also going to get into what it actually costs to run. And this is a spoiler. It's going to be the next video. And it's a lot less than you think. I mean a lot less.
We're not gonna go crazy spending our winnings, and we're not gonna let this money change us.
What are you talking about? This money is our ticket to the good life. Starting now. I just bought a giant room full of gold coins, and I'm gonna dive into it like Scrooge McDuck. Ah! It's not a liquid! It's a great many pieces of solid matter that form a hard floor-like surface! Ah!
So here's what I'm going to ask from you. If you could, please subscribe. If you want to watch this play out, that's great. I'll also be giving some insight into how Claude Code built the bot, the website. I mean, if you wanted to do this yourself, you don't even need the website. But I'll be showing from the beginning how I put it all together and how Claude Code actually works and how cheaply we're able to do this. And if you want to see the current state of the fleet, you don't have to subscribe. You can just go to trueai.trading and hit the live trading button if you want to see if we have any bots doing live trading. Currently we do not, so it's on paper trade. I'm going to be doing my best to make sure that we're honest and we provide you with all the failures as well as all the victories. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.